Imagine the chaos of the internet suddenly grinding to a halt, leaving millions scrambling. That's the real-world nightmare that unfolded when Amazon's cloud empire stumbled. Just hours ago, Amazon Web Services, AWS, issued a heartfelt apology to all the customers hit hard by Monday's colossal outage. This massive disruption brought down some of the globe's biggest platforms, including Snapchat, Reddit, and Lloyds Bank, among a reported tally of over 1,000 websites and services. The issue stemmed from problems deep in the heart of Amazon's cloud operations in North Virginia, U.S., on October 20th. In their thorough breakdown of the incident, Amazon explained that the outage resulted from glitches that severed the connections between their internal systems and the IP addresses, those unique numerical identifiers that computers use to locate websites and online resources. "We sincerely apologize for the disruption this caused our customers," the company stated. "We're fully aware of how vital our services are to their operations, apps, end users, and overall business success. This event significantly affected a great many people. While some platforms, like the popular online games Roblox and Fortnite, bounced back online within just a few hours, others faced extended periods of downtime. Lloyds Bank, for instance, saw customers dealing with problems that lingered until midday. The U.S. payment app Venmo and social media giant Reddit were also among those struggling to recover fully. But here's where it gets controversial. The outage didn't just mess with apps and banks. It even threw a wrench into everyday gadgets. Take 8 Sleep, a company that produces smart mattresses with features like adjustable temperature and elevation that need an internet link to function. Reports surfaced that some of these sleep pods overheated or became trapped in tilted positions during the downtime. 8 Sleep vowed to make their products more outage-proof moving forward, highlighting just how intertwined our daily lives are with reliable online connectivity. Experts weigh in heavily here, pointing out how this incident underscores the tech world's heavy dependence on Amazon's stronghold in cloud computing. The market is largely dominated by AWS and its rival Microsoft Azure, raising eyebrows about the risks of such concentrated power. And this is the part most people miss. What if a single company's hiccup can ripple out to cripple the entire digital landscape? Amazon pledged to take every step to analyze the event and boost their system's reliability. In their extensive report on the Monday outage, they pinpointed the root cause in US East 1, their biggest hub of data centers that fuels a huge chunk of the internet. Specifically, crucial processes in the regional database handling domain name system, DNS, records. Think of these as the Internet's phone book, translating user-friendly website URLs into computer-readable codes. Got out of whack. Amazon described it as a latent race condition, which, put simply for beginners, is like a hidden software bug that only surfaces under rare, unexpected circumstances. Much like a flaw in a machine that only shows up during a specific sequence of events. This delay, kicking off early Monday morning, cascaded into a chain reaction, halting systems everywhere. And here's a fun analogy to clarify. Imagine a factory assembly line where one worker's slowdown causes the whole production to jam. That's the knock-on effect here. Much of this behind-the-scenes work is automated, running without any human oversight. Dr. Junaid Ali, a seasoned software engineer and member of the Institute for Engineering and Technology, spoke to the BBC about this, calling it faulty automation at the core of the issue. The precise technical culprit was a broken automated system that wrecked the internal address book that the region's operations depend on, he explained. Essentially, they lost the ability to locate other essential systems. Like many in the field, Dr. Ali stresses the importance of building more robust setups and spreading risk by using multiple cloud providers. This way, if one fails, businesses can swiftly switch to backups from other centers or companies. In this case, those relying solely on this single Amazon zone were left vulnerable to total offline shutdowns, he noted. So, while this outage serves as a stark reminder of our interconnected world, it also sparks debate. Is Amazon's dominance in cloud services a blessing for innovation or a ticking time bomb for global reliance? And what about the ethical side? Should big tech giants like AWS be held to even stricter standards to prevent such widespread fallout? Do you agree that companies need to diversify their cloud strategies to dodge single-point failures? Or is Amazon's apology and promise of improvement enough? Share your opinions below. I'd love to hear if you think this is just a glitch or a wake-up call for the industry.